If you travel internationally and want your clothing to be wrinkle-free, you may just love this Epicka travel steamer I was just gifted. It's this great small size. It has some really smart features that I'll show you when I turn it on, but the key piece is that this will adapt to different voltages from 100 to 240 volts, making it a global steamer that can really travel with you as long as you have an adapter for the plug. Now, let me show you exactly what you get here. To start out with, it has over 6 feet of power cord. It comes with a bag, and if you want to, it does come with a little cup to easily pour the water into the steamer. And to use, you really do just add water right here. It has a little cover over the water port, and you can just carefully pour that in. And then once I plug it in, it has low and high mode that I can choose by pressing the button. This little strip here will change color when it's hot to let you know that you can't pack it in your bag, for example. You need to keep it out and somewhere safer until this cools down. And then of course you may have seen that you can twist it back and forth. You can use this on clothing that's on a hanger or flat on an ironing board. So however you want to use this, it's ready to go. So let me plug it in and we'll put it to the test. Now I just plugged it in, it's already heating, and you may have noticed right then that this little heat tab just went red. So we're already at hot, and on the back you have the button, and I can press it to go to 1 or 2 on the steam levels. Here is 1. That's a fair amount of steam, probably all I need for this thin blouse. But if you were steaming, say, linen, something that's a thicker fabric, you'd probably want to go to level 2. Or if you're just in a rush. And there's level 2. It's quite a bit more, actually. It might not look like it to you, but I can feel it on my hand. My hand is far away right now for steam because it cools so quickly, but I'm getting quite a bit of moisture on my hand from this. Well, let's see how this goes. So I'm just gonna run it down this section here. And I am running it on 2, and I'll be fair, I'll go down to 1. And it did actually take out a lot. I don't know if you can see that, but I can see what a difference it made. I'm gonna go to level 2 just to be a little impatient here. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a very, very obvious difference to me on this section versus any other part of this shirt. It is steamed and as flat as this blouse is going to get, looking really, really good. There is one wrinkle right here that I would probably steam a little more just to make sure it gets out completely. But overall, for how quickly I just ran that, that is quite impressive. Now it's still plugged in, so it's still heating and it's ready for me to turn back on the steam and steam whatever I want. I really appreciate that I actually have the power to turn off the steam without having to turn off the heat, so I can quickly go between outfits. Maybe I'm steaming a whole bunch of outfits out of my suitcase because I just arrived somewhere. Really convenient. But just in case you're in a rush and you're not paying attention, I also really appreciate that this has a 15-minute auto shut off. So if you don't remember to turn it off, it will turn itself off. And this line here will go back to black once it is cool. Overall, this is one really impressive device. It definitely met and exceeded my expectations. The only thing I'd want to warn you about is that it does have a little bit of weight to it. According to the specifications, it is 1.3 pounds. So that's probably the only thing that I would want you to be aware of with this. Past that, it's really, really nice. One thing that also stood out to me is that it didn't have any drips. I have used a variety of steamers that steam really well, but they also drip water. There isn't any excess steam or dripping anywhere. It really just did exactly what I wanted and is now ready to cool down and be packed away for use next time. This is one really nice steamer. Whether you're specifically on the hunt for a steamer designed for international travel or you just want a really great steamer that also has the bonus that you could take it when you go traveling. I think you're going to love this Epicka Trip Cozy Garment Steamer. This is really impressive.